Are you looking for an efficient way to produce your radiotracers in an innovative microfluidic environment? iMiDEV is a radio synthesizer based on a unique microfluidic cassette patented by PMB, designed for R&D and preclinical phases. Installed in a standard hot cell in connection with a source of radioisotope, iMiDEV is the perfect tool to develop your radio synthesis in a microfluidic environment. Thanks to microfluidic benefits, you can synthesize tracers for diagnostics and therapeutics in a small volumes with limited quantity of precursors and high yields. The cassette is simply prepared by putting the vials at the dedicated location in the vial holder. The cassette is then inserted into iMiDEV and the automated recipe can be started on the dedicated HMI. Liquid path can be then observed as well as the progress of the automated script. At the end, the final product is recovered in a vial and a complete report is generated by the HMI. Moreover, the synthesis developed with iMiDEV can be directly transferred to the automated radiochemistry iMiLab for GMP clinical routine production. To improve the access to diverse radiopharmaceuticals, we are building a network of partners and a one-of-a-kind portfolio of radiopharmaceuticals on iMiDEV. Those partners are sharing research and launching multicentric studies to facilitate the transfer from R&D to clinical applications all around the world. Join us in this exciting adventure.